and welcome back to my channel. It's your first time visiting us. Karibu sana. My name is Chef Janet, and if you have not yet considered subscribing to my channel, please smash the subscribe button. Do what? Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell right beside, so every time I have a new simple recipe, you are instantly notified on the same. So today I have this amazing recipe, and I'm going to make this chicken with butter. Very delicious, I tell you. I think you should grab the ingredients and start cooking with me because your family is going to love this. Let's get cooking. So to make this delicious butter chicken, I have some chicken here chopped into small pieces. I have my red onion right here. I have my tomato paste and tomato blended together. I have my coriander here. I have my lemon. I have my cooking oil. A half teaspoon of turmeric, a half teaspoon of cumin, a half teaspoon of garam masala, one teaspoon of red chili. I have my garlic as well. Ultimate ingredient is unsalted butter, and then I have my salt, and I also have my Royco. So to start off, we are going to marinate our chicken with the spices. So I'm just going to add in my turmeric. I'm just going with my red chili. The red chili is optional. If you don't like chili, then please don't add it. I have my garam masala. I'm just going to squeeze in my lemon. So I'm just going to be using my hands like that. I just need the lemon juice. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my salt, just a little bit to taste. So this is enough, depending with the size of chicken that you are cooking. And we are just going to bring this to a perfect mix so that our chicken absorbs the flavors of the spices. So this is okay. We are just going to cover this and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So my pan is heated up. I'm just going to add in my cooking oil in the pan like that. And I'm just going to swirl this pan so that the cooking oil is covering or is coating my whole pan. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to be frying my chicken in this cooking oil. This chicken is just packed with flavors, very delicious. I'm telling you, you just need to try this recipe. So my chicken is done on the lower side, so I'm just going to turn this over so that it fries even on the upper side. So there's going to be some sizzle, so just don't worry. So our chicken pieces have been frying for about 10 minutes now, just turning them around so that they are cooked all round. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to place them aside because I'll be using this pan to continue with my frying. So just remove your chicken pieces and put them aside. And they're looking super delicious. Oh my goodness! Look at that nice golden brown touch. I'm already tempted to taste one. Looking really nice. So my pan is nicely heated. I'm just going to scoop like a half tablespoon of butter and just add it here like that. So this butter really adds some flavor to our chicken. I would really like you to use the butter because it's really what's going to make our chicken tasty. So once you have your butter in there like that, red onion. So my red onion, there you go. We are just going to fry this until it is translucent. My red onion is ready, so I'm just going in with my garlic. I'm just going to cook my garlic. Just be careful so that you don't burn your garlic. I always say once you burn your garlic, you have messed your whole meal because the stew is going to be bitter and you don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to be careful around here. That aroma of butter, I'm telling you, it is really just getting me a lot hungry. So our onion is perfectly done and our garlic too are perfectly browned. So what I'm going in with right now, I'm just going in with my tomato and tomato paste. I have just blended them. The sizzle! Did you just hear that? Oh my goodness, it's just so amazing. amazing. So we're just going to give this a good stir and let the tomato paste and our tomato puree cook for about 2 minutes. So my tomato puree is almost done and cooked perfectly. I'm just going in with my Royco. So this is the spice that maybe is always ready available here. Remember, you can always modify your spices. So what I did to my Royco, I just dissolved it in some milk. So this is going to make our chicken look creamy and really delicious. So once you have done that, you're just going to give this a stir and we're just going to let it cook for about 2 minutes. So our stew is almost ready, okay, and you can see how creamy this is looking. Remember, you can substitute the milk with the cooking cream if that is what you have. And right now I'm just going in with the pieces of chicken that we had fried previously. So we're just going to add them in, all of them. This is going to be delicious. You guys need to trust me. I think you should try this recipe. Try it. I'm telling you, you will like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's looking really delicious and very creamy. I'm telling you, it is tasty. You know, tasty, very tasty in that matter. So that is okay. What I'm going in now, I'm going to add some fresh coriander. So I'm just going to add my coriander like that. And oh my goodness, look at that. Wow, it's looking really delicious, very tasty. Oh my goodness, I'm already hungry. So guys, I have finished making this butter chicken and it is really delicious. I'm telling you, the aroma, very delicious. You can actually serve this with some chapati, you can actually serve this with some rice or anything of your choice, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you learned something new or if you liked our video. You can also share it with your friends and neighbors. Until then, I've been your girl, Chef Janet, signing out right now. See you next time. Bye bye.